Today, June 19, Tuesday, we are working on a different job. We are installing a new kitchen countertop for Formica. It's two pieces by the stove and one long piece by the sink. And everything is cut, measured. Our technician Javier is working. One of the best guy I have. This is a Formica countertop. It's a particular board laminated with, has a different color basically. This one called Jamaica granite. It's very common color on the market so far. It looks very nice. It's really like granite.